Hi guys, this is an episode Super Simple Stuff Special, because we're going to stay outside the whole time, and our challenge is the basketball challenge.
So what's the science of today's episode, Hadley?
Gravity.
Gravity? So I think someone called Isaac Newton realised gravity existed.
Because he was sitting next to a tree and an apple fell on his head.
Oh! So an apple fell on his head and he thought, why did that fall out the tree onto my head? Yeah. And then he thought, it must be something called gravity.
Why didn't it go that way or that way or up? Why didn't it go like that?
We're going to use the basketball challenge today to show people what gravity is all about.
I bet you guessed it was gravity.
Well, you know now. Okay. Gravity challenge.
We're going to chuck the balls into the basketball hoop with the same force, but see if they're different.
Yeah, because they're different sizes and different weights. We're going to try and throw them at the same force and see which ones get there and which ones don't. And basically what's happening is the heavier ones, I think, will fall quicker because of...
Gravity! Gravity!
Let's check it out.
These are our balls.
These are the first two. So this one's a bit spongy. And what's that one?
Air.
Oh, it's like plastic. Okay, Hadley, when you're ready, you need to throw them towards the basketball hoop.
I'm using my ultimate force.
Okay, what happened?
Straight over.
So it went past, yeah? Okay.
Yeah, it went straight past.
Next, I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to just cast it into the air and see how far I get. Ready? Here we go.
Go on then.
Short. Oh, it's come back.
Well,
So I ended up being short.
Well,
But I'm going to try and throw the others.
I'm
I'm going to try and throw the others with the same force to see if they get the same distance. And what, are you going to do the same?
Yeah.
Well, which one's next for you then? We've used that one. Which one's next for you? That one. And you're going to throw it.
This is actually quite light and quite heavy at the same time because it's a, beanbag really.
Right? You need to throw it with the same force as you did the last one. Go for it. That fell short. That didn't go as far.
That was absolutely rubbish.
So your last one that was lighter went quite far.
Yeah.
This one you threw with the same
Straight
force
over.
didn't go as far. Well, what do you think?
Straight past.
All right. So what do you think happened to the second one? It was heavier, therefore, what pulled it down then?
The gravity!
Right, okay, so just to recap, Hadley's first ball went quite far. Although it was quite light, it went quite far. The second one was shorter, came shorter.
It went straight past.
Why do you think that? Why do you think the second one came down quicker?
Because it was a beanbag and they have beans in, which make it heavy.
Well, let me try. Next one I'm going to try is this one.
The next one I'm going to try
Like a bubbly, and this
one.
is quite like a balloon, really.
Using this one too.
And Hadley's going to do that one. Right, here we go. Ready?
This one
Here we go.
actually quite heavy.
I'm going to throw it the same force or try.
Bum, 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 bum. So,
That floated a bit, I think that one did, because it had more air in it.
should we do a replay?
Let's do an action replay.
Same force.
Action replay.
Action replay.
Oh, see. Oh, bump, bump, bump.
That was super different.
Come on then, your throw.
Right then, my throw.
That was shorter as well.
That was short, but it landed right about here maybe.
So we got there, just didn't go in. Right, last one. Can I get this one in?
And then we'll start doing some.
Ready? Ready? Same force. Oh, it was so close!
Perfect shot, but it didn't actually go in.
No.
It went zoo, boom.
So,
Yep.
conclusion so far. The lightest ball that Hadley threw first went the furthest. He went past the hoop. Yeah. So gravity couldn't pull that one down.
Yep.
But
Gravity couldn't.
beanbag, although not the biggest was the blue one. The beanbag ball, that dropped first. That didn't get as far. And I think why? Or what do you think why?
Well, because the beanbag had added weight to it, which means it went
Yep.
right in front of it, really.
Oh, that's a great idea. The one that nearly went in was the big one, but I don't know if that was just like it was a good weight and a good size and easy to
Big blue
throw.
one, the big blue and yellow one.
Okay, but we've got another way of showing you about gravity.
We're going to show you now. So, we're on the trampoline right now.
We are.
And this is how we're going to show you.
The trampoline, imagine the trampoline is space. So here's a whole lot of space. Yeah.
Yeah.
And us sitting in the middle is like the star in the centre of our galaxy.
Like
so
the
we're
galaxy Milky Way.
like the Milky Way, yeah.
Yeah.
But inside our solar system, we are the sun in the centre, and these are the planets. So what happens is the sun almost does this in space. It's got like a weight to it that pushes into space, and it distorts space, like bends space. And what it does is it means that if a planet starts to move round it, what happens? I'm gonna go whoop, and it goes all the way around and all the way around and all the way around and all the way around, and then it orbits. It's still going. So it like orbits the sun. That's why the planets orbit the sun. Look, here we go. Goes round.
That's my example.
And round.
Oh, we keep going.
And
Ha! This is really fun.
now our gravity is too strong. We're causing too much gravity in the middle, so eventually it comes into the centre. The difference with the planets around the sun is they just keep falling round because there's a beautiful balance between how quick the planets go round and how much gravity the sun creates.
So it's like if you had a hockey puck and then you hit it all the way around the earth, that it just keeps going and going and going and going.
Yeah, that's kind of how a shuttle works as well. How a space shuttle is.
Yeah.
Space shuttle takes off and it starts going round the earth, and it just keeps going round and falling round, and it keeps doing. What does it keep doing, Hadley? It keeps doing this.
Spinning round and round.
Ready? See if we can get a really good one going. Here we go. Ready? I'm going to go round like that. Round. Oh, it's bounced off the edge. Round. And round. Oh, it's hit my toe. There we go. And all our planets, just so you know, so all the planets in our solar system are going around at the same time, like this. Let's see if we can get this one going. And they're going. And some are going different speeds. Look, so one's going fast. The other one's going slow, yeah? So they all go down at different speeds. So that's the magic of how gravity works. It's
One's
almost
going
like
fast, and one goes
slow.
slow.
So you can do, I'll tell you what, a really good thing would be to do with this is using marbles, because you could chuck loads of that all spin round you like meteorites, wouldn't they?
Oh, if you put one, if you had like one right here, and then the marbles going like that, you could chuck them and then they'd go. That would make a great little decoration.
It would make a great decoration.
Put them in a marble track, that would be excellent.
Round and
Round
round
and round and round and round and round.
and round. Oh, I crashed. Oh no.
That's what normally happens to galaxies. Galaxies fall into each other and
Crash together.
suck each other into. Well, you know about gravity now, but if you actually want to be gravity and do what gravity actually does, get yourself one of these.
Get on the trampoline!
Hey! Get yourself one of these, man!
And now it's time for
Super simple stuff news. We're here for super simple stuff news.
Outdoor edition.
Wait a second. Where's your tie?
Oh, it's just too hot for a tie. Where's your jacket?
What? It's too hot for a jacket. I have no idea.
Okay, so let's get into super simple stuff news. My name is Hoodly Hidley Hadley Hoodly Babbidi Babbidi Boo.
Polar bear's fur.
What's your name?
Oh, my name is Jimothy Jaggedy, Jimothy Jaggedy, Jimothy Jaggedy Jew. Jiggedy Jaggedy.
Good name.
Jig. Jag. Jiggedy Jew.
Good name.
That will go off the camera. That will go off the screen. Anyway, yeah, sure. Polar bear's fur is that thick, it cannot be detected by infrared cameras.
The acid in your stomach is so strong it could dissolve steel.
Earth is a giant magnet filled with iron That's why compasses work.
No way. Sorry, I mean, the Nile is the longest river in the world. It is 4,132 miles long. That would be a long boat ride, wouldn't it? Yeah. Anyway, that's it for me.
That's it for me. Super simple stuff news out.
Out.
Anyway, sorry it's been so late. We couldn't get a video out because it was technical issues.
Yes, but they've all been resolved now, so we should go back to having a video a week, trying to get them out every Monday. So it gives us the weekend to do some editing. But we're also looking to do some super simple shorts.
Super simple, not big. Short.
Yeah. Because basically...
Because I've got shorts on too.
Yeah, you've got shorts, and I've got shorts on. But basically, yeah, we've been to the Monkey Sanctuary recently. We've been for some walks at Kimber, we've been to the Dudley Salt Mines, and we've just got lots of stuff that doesn't really fit in our channel.
And short clips outside, short clips of me gaming, yeah.
So we've got lots of stuff that maybe doesn't fit in a full video that we could cut up into little mini videos, so we'll be getting them to you very soon as well. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, but hang around because it's time for...
The OUTTAKES! Right. Bang, bang, boom.
Video's edited now.
So, it's time for the OUTTAKES! Right there.
Oh, we've got some new gravity coming in though.
Oh,
Me and Hadley are causing gravity here, but we've got some more gravity coming in. What's happening now?
Did you know my apple? It's here.
You got your apple, good girl.